Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a t-shirt on Roblox mobile. Let's get started. First, close Roblox and open a web browser like Chrome or Safari. Then go to create.roblox.com. And after that, tap the login button in the top right and sign in. Next, tap the three lines in the top left and go to dashboard. At the top, select avatar items under creations. Then, scroll across the filters and choose classic t-shirts. Scroll down and tap upload asset, then upload again. Then choose your image from your device, select it and tap done. And after that, enter a name and description. Then scroll down and press upload. To sell it, tap the item, scroll down and turn on for sale and set a price. Now open Roblox and go to avatar, then tap customize and clothing, then classic t-shirts. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.